Hey guys, and welcome to another great video here at Techline. Today we're showing you some of the coolest and most ingenious construction inventions and working technology. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Number 1. Curb roller manufacturing. This customized drum roller was built for speed and effectiveness when building water troughs, roads and even foundations. Once the concrete has been laid out in the valley, instead of flattening and smoothing it all down yourself, this amazing machine does it all for you. The roller runs over the concrete, pushing it all down into place and leaves a really smooth finish. Then the workers just have to go and remove the excess. The unique feature of this roller is that it can carry on for miles, providing the required tracks are in place to keep it going. This ingenious piece of kit gives you a perfectly smooth pavement in no time at all. Number 2. GA Block. The GA block is the fastest way of building walls you have ever seen. This Lego-like way of building takes construction to a new level. You don't need any skill to assemble these walls with GA block as the process is so simple. Just tap the 3 breeze blocks encased in plywood out a few inches and place onto the next building block. The process is amazing and extremely satisfying to watch. Number 3. Pride Engineering Company. This super powerful drill can handle the roughest of weather and the hardest of ground. The drill rig comes mounted on wheels so you can drive it around with ease. It has extendable feet that retract from the base for support on all rough ground. The large drill bit of the rig has a strong tungsten carbide cutters to pierce even the hardest ground. The unit automatically feeds rods into the drilling chamber, reaching a depth of 150 meters. This machine has an extreme amount of torque. The drill has a maximum widening of 400 millimeters and has a tractive force of 8,000 kilonewtons. Number 4. Benton Block. Watch how easily these construction workers make these massive concrete blocks. The metal molds are laid out on the floor and the cement mixer is stationed ready to pour in the concrete. The mixer fills up the mold to the top and then a workman will smooth it down and brush away any excess. Once the block has dried, the mold can be removed and the perfect concrete block is ready to be shipped to the building site. Number 5. Granite Industries. This workman's tower looks more fun than work itself as it features remote control wheels for driving around. This handy little design means you never have to leave the tower to move it around. The tower can handle rough terrain and even drive up and down slopes. It also features multiple levels of elevation, making sure you can work at all heights. Number 6. Truckworx Kenworth. This is a clever dump truck that can be fully operated all without leaving the comfort of the front seat. The mechanisms are fully operational even when moving, making spreading materials over a long distance extremely effective. The tipper of the truck is versatile in all situations as it features 180-degree rotation arc. You can even fit the truck with train wheel runners if the need arises. Number 7. ACS Engineering Industries. This special concrete mixer has a large ladder pulley system that is long enough to reach a second-story floor. You feed the machine with concrete mix, the machine mixes it up and then pours the mixture into the bucket, which runs up and down the rails to the desired location. It It then deposits it into a wheelbarrow or a carrying container at the top of the building. This eliminates the work of carrying heavy buckets of concrete upstairs and saves a considerable amount of time and effort. Number 8. Promotech. This device is the Pro10 110 hydraulic puncher. It has emphasised a powerful hydraulic hole punching device that can cut through even the toughest materials. The machine can be hung from an anchor on the ceiling or fixing above and is manually operated. Just hold the puncture over the required material you want to cut and the machine does all the work for you. This puncher can cut steel, iron and even tungsten carbide and comes with a multitude of special shaped attachments to give you the right shape cut. Number 9. Doha Hydraulics tools. This hydraulic drain cover remover is no match for even the heaviest of drains. This company features a wide range of special tools for removing heavy drain covers in the easiest way possible. Some of the tools feature suction pads on the end of the rod or bar, which get stuck onto the lid of a drain cover and can be removed in seconds. Some other tools feature special screw locking devices for fitting in small holes and even a wrench bar for some of the heaviest drains. No heavy lifting is needed anymore thanks to this awesome tool. Number 10. MotoCut OY. This special steel pipe cutter by MotoCut is shocking the world with its incredible technology. The machine grabs hold of the desired pipe of any size using accurate metal claws. The machine holds the pipe in place while impressive compressed air cutters cut around the full circumference in a matter of seconds. The machine is cheap to run as doesn't use any expensive combustible gases. The MotoCut can also be fitted with sturdy metal blades for cutting other material. The machine then picks up the desired piece and places it anywhere as the machine comes with a drivable cab. Number 11. ANT Machinery. This super powerful electric wheelbarrow is the only hauling device you need on the job. This wheelbarrow does it all with mechanical scooping arms for collecting materials from the ground and placing them inside the barrow on the machine. The wheelbarrow can be operated by anyone and all the work can be done without having to step off the machine. It has a standing deck on the back for the driver and the battery charge lasts all day. The barrow can be tipped up to remove all materials from inside with a push of a button. Number 12. Blocko estructual. This slide together way of building strong structures is fast and amazing way of working. This creative design ensures that minimal mortar is used and the structure still remains as strong as ever. Number 13. Masenza drillings. This is another high-powered drilling machine capable of drilling deep into the ground. The drill is great for water wells as the automated tube insertion process keeps the drilled holes from caving in when the ground is soft. The machine works with complete accuracy and is recognised around the world for its effectiveness. Number 14. Exact One Ltd. This innovative front-mounted wheelbarrow can be attached to any digger such as the one shown in the video. This is a personal barrow that goes anywhere you do, eliminating the need for another workman. You fill the barrow up with the digger, then you can drive it to the dumping location and tip the barrow up with the digging device, all without leaving the cab. Number 15. MCQUEE. This ingenious company have created a clever tool that makes the life of a bricklayer so much easier. The device is a light metal box that has runners that slide along the line of bricks, depositing the perfect amount of mortar needed for each brick. This invention is incredibly accurate and super easy to use. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to help us in making more great videos for you. See you next time.